Welcome to our comprehensive guide on achieving the base practices of SUP.1, vital for reaching Automotive SPICE Level 1. In today's automotive industry, robust quality assurance practices are key. Let's explore the 7 essential base practices. Base Practice 1, ensure independence of quality assurance. The independence of quality assurance is critical. It involves ensuring that the quality assurance team operates autonomously from project development, enabling unbiased evaluation and reporting. Independence fosters objectivity and enhances the credibility of quality assessments. Base Practice 2, define criteria for quality assurance. Define precise criteria for evaluating the effectiveness of quality assurance activities. Establish benchmarks, metrics, and standards against which quality will be assessed. Defined criteria serve as a yardstick for measuring and improving quality assurance practices. Base Practice 3, assure quality of work products. Ensure that all work products meet defined quality criteria. Conduct thorough reviews, inspections, and testing to validate the quality of deliverables. Assuring quality in work products guarantees adherence to set standards and requirements. Base Practice 4, assure quality of process activities. Evaluate and validate the quality of process activities. Monitor adherence to defined processes, procedures, and methodologies. Ensuring quality in process activities fosters consistency and efficiency. Base Practice 5, summarize and communicate quality assurance activities and results. Summarize and communicate the outcomes of quality assurance activities effectively. Provide comprehensive reports, documentation, and presentations to stakeholders. Transparent communication enhances understanding and awareness of quality assurance efforts. Base Practice 6, ensure resolution of non-conformances. Swiftly address and resolve identified non-conformances. Implement corrective actions to rectify deviations from defined quality standards. Resolution of non-conformances ensures continuous improvement and adherence to quality benchmarks. Base Practice 7, escalate non-conformances. In cases where non-conformances cannot be resolved internally, escalate them to higher management for necessary interventions. Timely escalation ensures prompt and effective resolution of critical quality issues. By meticulously implementing these 7 base practices of SUP.1, you pave the way towards Automotive SPICE Level 1, ensuring robust and effective quality assurance practices. Remember, dedication to quality drives automotive excellence. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards Automotive SPICE Excellence.